Cleaning computer towers. Inspect and photo document prior damage. HEPA-vac heavy soot at the job site. Wrap with anti-static bubble for transport. For safety, wear eye protection and nitrile gloves. Remove the side panel to expose the motherboard. Watch YouTube videos for specific disassembly techniques. Place all screws in a magnetic container, separating them by size. Take notes and photos for use during reassembly. Remove disk drives if cleaning an older version computer. Remove non-SSD hard drives from towers built prior to 2020. They will be damaged by water. SSD hard drives can, however, remain installed. Do not remove the CMOS BIOS battery. It looks like a watch battery. Place the computer into the 2300E electronics cleaning station, standing it up. Turn the selector switch to the air position. Air wash the tower with the spray wand working back and forth from top to bottom, making sure to get inside and outside of the computer to remove dust and loose soot. Note: wear a dust mask if needed. Turn the selector switch to the clean position. Holding the spray wand 4 to 6 inches away from the computer, start at the top, spraying back and forth, working your way to the bottom. Soapy solution may take up to 15 seconds to work its way through the hose. Rotate the turntable to wash inside the motherboard. Hold cooling fan while cleaning to protect against bearing damage. Make sure to thoroughly spray wash inside all ports and buttons. Switch the controller to the rinse position. Repeat using the same method used for cleaning, making sure to rinse all of the soap from the computer. Lean the computer tower forward to ensure all soap residue drains out from the bottom. It may take up to 15 seconds to purge the soapy solution from the hose. Thoroughly air wash the computer, working your way from top to bottom using the air gun. Make sure to remove all water puddles for proper drying. Again, lean the computer as needed to ensure all water is drained out. Open the drying chamber door. Place the computer standing straight up on the rack inside of the drying chamber. Close the door. Activate the dryer by switching drying cycle switch to the on position. Dry for 6 to 8 hours. Remove the computer from the drying chamber. Reinstall hard drive and disk drive if previously removed. Reassemble the side panel. Hand wipe with non-ammonia glass cleaner if needed. Plug into power, a monitor, mouse, and keyboard. Turn on and test.